Hi. I turned my old Prima oven off by the socket, and when I turn on again the display says stop. I can't get it to turn on at all. I have tried the technique you specified of holding middle button and turning right knob, but nothing happens.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number, please? Also, when you press the middle button, do you feel it clicking? Regards.
Yes, Daniel, it does cluck. Model number LPR 813.
Hi, okay, to set the clock on this you need to turn the power off for 1 minute. Then make sure the dial on the left is turned to the off position, which is 12 o'clock. Then press the start button I think 3 times from memory, then you can turn the dial on the right to set the time. Try that and see if it works. If it just won't set, then it's more than likely the small button at fault, as these do like to go faulty for the fun of it. So if it won't set, you need to replace that button and then you should be able to set the time. But try the above first and see if that works and let me know. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.